Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the journal is actually Scopus indexed. Don't assume. Once done, verify the aims and recent articles to ensure fit, because fit reduces desk rejections. Make sure you have ORCID ID, ethics approvals, and a clear author order before writing. Then export recent reference styles from the journal to save time. Begin drafting the abstract and methods immediately, focusing on clarity and replaceability so reviewers can assess novelty fast. Now you polish the manuscript to match the journal template, restructure headings, format tables and figure captions, and ensure citations follow the required style. While doing this, use a reference manager to avoid errors and to convert the bibliography quickly. Also check Scopus metrics, review timelines, and any APCs or special issues that might speed acceptance. Once formatted, run a focused language and statistical check, so reviewers focus on substance rather than presentation. You submit through the journal portal with a concise cover letter, suggested reviewers, and all required files. Include raw data links if asked. Once submitted, track progress and respond to reviewer requests quickly and with clear, evidence-backed revisions. After acceptance, carefully check proofs, clear copyright forms, and pay APCs if applicable. Then deposit your accepted manuscript in repositories. If reviews become contradictory, ask the editor for specific guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.